Introducing BitNasdaq, where innovation meets opportunity and revolution. BitNasdaq is not just another crypto exchange. It's building the future of digital finance. Inspired by the legacy of Nasdaq itself, led by a team coming from Nasdaq itself, equipped with unmatched experience and vision. BitNasdaq aims to become the first true leader in the blockchain industry, just as Nasdaq did in traditional markets. Their mission is simple: put users first. With intuitive design, transparent operations, and world-class security, your trading journey is safe and easy. What truly sets BitNasdaq apart is the BNQ mining feature, a deflationary economic model that is changing everything. Since they launched BNQ mining on January 1st, 2025, BNQ's price has surged from 0.001 USDT to 0.01 USDT, and this is just the beginning. Seize every market opportunity to trade crypto with precision, profit off leverage, and capture endless possibilities, all in one powerful platform. If you're new to trading then, no problem. With their copy trading and trading bots, simply copy master traders or use grid trading in real time. Learn, grow, and profit together. With enormous growth potential ahead, BitNasdaq is on track to achieve more, with the goal that users always earn more. The opportunity is now. Since their launch, they've earned the trust and praise of thousands of satisfied users. Their confidence fuels BitNasdaq to do more and better. This is your chance to be part of this evolution: trade, mine, earn, and grow with BitNasdaq. Join the global community today. Download the BitNasdaq app, join discussions, and take your first step towards limitless opportunity.